Does filing bankruptcy ruin my credit forever? This is a common misconception. So the answer is no. A bankruptcy doesn't ruin your credit forever. As soon as your bankruptcy case is completed, whether that's discharged and completed or dismissed, you will be able to start rebuilding your credit immediately. And it takes a lot of work and effort to go ahead and rebuild your credit, but it really isn't any different than losing weight or having a healthy lifestyle goal. However hard you want to work at it, that's how fast you'll be able to rebuild your credit. There are some people, when they want to lose weight, who will go to the gym twice a day, they'll eat great, they'll drink plenty of water, they'll get great sleep. Those people are going to see their results faster. Some people just want to go to the gym maybe twice a week just to kind of maintain the level they're at, and their process of rebuilding is going to take a little bit longer. The same thing is going to happen with your credit. Our website has free resources and articles to help you understand how to rebuild your credit in whatever way you see fit.